Hey guys, today I'll show you how to buy and set up isHosting VPS with OpenPort 25. So let's start. Go to isHosting, link on the description down below. You can choose various locations. So they have a plethora of data centers around the world, and I'll choose USA. So let's go to pricing. Okay, so um, in order to avail their port 25, get a medium plan. It has a three virtual CPUs and a 4 GB of RAM. So in order to mitigate spammers, they will open port 25 starting on medium plan up to the exclusive plan. So by default, you cannot um, get a port 25 online and start unless it is annual subscription. So go to medium, get started, and let's set up the VPS according to our needs. So I have a good experience in Dallas, so I'll choose Dallas for now. Dallas has have a good experience in IP, rather. So of course Linux, unless you want RDP, you will use Windows. And of course, I'll choose Ubuntu 24.04. This is an LTS, and okay, I'll choose 1 month for now. And okay, I'm good with 4 GB, but if you need more power, get 6 GB or more. So for the drive, if you want to increase this, just get upgrade this to 45 gigabyte for $2. But they have storages that will be a good advantage if you want more space. So the port, that's it. If you want more IPv4, you can just add one. It's for per month, and of course will enable SSH and VNC. So if you want control panel, uh, I don't need control panel for now because we will use, I always use open source. If you want ISP or cPanel, you can get for an additional price. So we don't need an administration because we will self-manage our VPS. And okay, that's it. So I'll just add this one to cart. And by the way, these are the payment methods. Okay, I'll just add to cart. And let's go to checkout. Okay, we'll sign up for an account. Okay, continue. So um, enter your password. It should be strong, so just check this one and just click create. So I'm going to my email. Okay, I'll just verify my email. Okay, let's log in. Okay, let's go to cart, and okay, let's proceed. Go to checkout. Okay, let's make the order. Okay, Okay, so you can choose pay by card or um, on crypto. You can contact their support so that you can pay with PayPal. And okay, I'll try with PayPal. I'll contact the support so that I can pay with PayPal. So if you want to pay with crypto, it's okay. So for now, I'll try to have the PayPal. Okay, so I have paid through PayPal, and they have already credited it on my account. Let's go to our card and let's check out. Okay, so let's make the order. So we will use our balance to pay this VPS. Click pay. Okay, so we have already paid, and let's go to our virtual servers. This is our virtual server, and let's click manage. It is still activating, and we'll wait for a few minutes for our VPS to be activated. Okay, so our VPS is already running, and this is our VPS control panel. You can reboot, power off, change your SSH password, and of course you can reinstall operating system anytime. Okay, we'll check our IP for possible blacklist. Let's go to MX Toolbox. Let's check. Okay, our IP is super clean, and we'll connect to our VPS using a free SSH client called Bitbase. So put your IP here and click login, accept and save, and your root password is sent to you on your email. So you need to check your email for that, and you can also reset your SSH password using the VPS control panel. So paste my password here, and okay, so I have connected to my VPS, and I'll let you know the results of yet another bench script. So I'll just install a bench script, and I'll show you the results later on. Okay, so this is the result of yet another bench script. So you can see FIO, Reperf3, and Geekbench. So I will put a link on the description down below so that you can check its Geekbench 6 results. So this is how you will set up isHosting easily and get the port 25 on medium and up to its highest plan. And if you have any questions, you can ask me on the comment section. And if this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.